I'm at FANUC UK. I'm at their headquarters on Anstey Park in Coventry. I've come to review a machine which is available from stock and currently on special offer. Now the machine in question is this FANUC ROBOCUT C800 IB series. This is an ex-demo machine. It's actually, I'm going to start quite differently to normal actually by telling you what the price is on this machine. Now this is normally a £150,000 machine, which is available for sale now at just £110,000. That is a huge, huge discount. Now the machine has actually got less than 300 working hours on the clock, and it will still come with a full 2-year warranty. Now a little bit about this EDM machine. It's obviously a multi-purpose EDM machine, rigid with an 800mm table, part capacity 1250mm by 975 in the wide by 300 high. That's quite sizable components you can get on the machine, and as you'll see in here at the moment, there's got 1 or 2 different types of parts, which is obviously the flexibility of having, or shows the flexibility of having a machine of this size. All equipped here with this FANUC touchscreen control. Some of the other options that come with this machine, you've got the core stitch function, which I can't tell you how important that is when you're looking at the EDM process to get the machine running unmanned. Now this also has wire threading in just under 10 seconds. The technology on EDM machines has advanced so much in recent years, and you sometimes have to rethink the way you make parts. In fact, over the screen now we're going to put some of the types of parts that have been made on this C800 machine. And of course there's also the opportunity to automate machines like this so that you can keep the machine running out of hours. But as for now, if you're interested in new EDM technology, a machine of this size and capacity and capability, then you need to talk to FANUC. As I said at the start of this, a whopping discount, £150,000 down to just £110,000. Visit FANUC at their website or come and see the machine here on Anstey Park in Coventry.